How to reduce breast fat naturally. What causes bigger breasts? The development of breasts happens as a response to the hormonal changes in the body. During puberty or pregnancy, the estrogen and progesterone levels in the body increase drastically. This leads to a growth in your breast size and the number of ducts in it. In some women, the breasts grow exceptionally large, causing heaviness and pain. Before we get started, please be sure to like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on. One. Wall press. Wall press is one of the simplest exercises that you can do anywhere. All you need is a wall to get started. The process is similar to that of a regular push-up, but here you do it in a standing position. This exercise strengthens the pectoral muscles and burns the fat in your breasts and armpits. You can notice an improvement in 1 week if you perform it every day.
Steps to perform. Face the wall and stand just over 1 arm's length away. Make a comfortable stance, probably a few centimeters between you and wall. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Place the palms of your hands flat against the wall at shoulder height, approximately shoulder width apart.
Keep your feet planted firmly on the floor. Do not lift or shuffle your feet during the exercise. Now, bend your elbows and lower your upper body towards the wall. Lower yourself to a count of 4. Breathe in while you are lowering yourself. Keep your back and hips straight as you lower yourself. 2. Push-ups. Push-ups can tone your chest muscles and reduce the size of your breasts. They also tighten the area and prevent a saggy appearance. However, push-ups alone cannot do wonders. They must be combined with other forms of cardio and strength training exercises to reduce overall body fat and a visible difference in your breast size. Steps to perform. Put your hands next to the shoulder and lie flat on the rubber mat. You can also do this on a wooden floor. Now try to push the body onto your knees. After this, pull your stomach in. Always try to keep the body in a straight line. After remaining in the position for a few seconds, push your body back down. This push-up exercise is the best home exercise to reduce breast size. This is generally the best breast reduction in exercise. 3. Bent knee push-up. This is a modified version of a push-up. Instead of lying down flat, you bend your knees to perform the exercise. Just like the conventional push-ups, a bent knee pushes up also strengthens your pectorals and make them firmer. It is a rigorous exercise and will force you to lose significant calories. Steps to perform. Lie on your stomach and put your hands below the shoulders. Bend the lower legs behind the body and keep the ankles crossed. Straighten the arms to press the body upward, then slowly bend your arms and lower the body toward the ground. Press your body back up. 4. Cardio workout. Cardio exercises like walking, jogging, swimming and aerobics can help you shed overall fat in the body. They boost your metabolism and quickly burn your calories to see a noticeable difference. Performing them along with push-ups and strength training can change the size of your breast and make them appear smaller but firmer. 5. Leg raise. The leg raise exercise does much more than reducing the size of your breasts. It can tone your abdominal muscles and controls the sagginess of your bust. This easy breast reducing exercise can give you good results without going to the gym. Follow these steps to know how to do it. Steps to perform. Lie flat on the floor and place the arms to your sides. Draw the stomach muscles into the spine. Inhale and raise the legs off the floor, keeping the knees straight. Keep the buttocks on the floor and hold your breath for a few seconds. Then exhale and lower your legs to the floor. Repeat this workout for 5 to 10 times. It is the best breast reducing exercise and gives a perfect shape to your breast if you do this workout regularly. 6. Shoulder shrugs. Shoulder shrug is undoubtedly one of the most effective exercises to reduce your cup size. It pushes the muscles inside and tones them. With regular practice, you can notice a tightened bust line that also looks perky. Shoulder shrugs are better performed with a dumbbell or even a filled water bottle to add some weights. Steps to perform. Stand straight first and foremost and then shrug, keeping your shoulders straight almost, so they touch your earlobe. Your elbows should be straight as well, and keep your hands alongside your upper thigh. You don't need to do shoulder rolls with this, just the basic shrug will do fine by itself. 7. Upright rows. This is the best exercise to reduce breast size naturally. The next breast reduction exercise asks for you to stand straight yet again, but this time with your feet kept apart. Although it looks simple, the exercise can be challenging to perform. So, beginners must do it with caution. Steps to perform. Raise your hand, place it straight in front of your thighs. This will allow some pressure to both your hands and shoulders. Pull your hand up with the weight you are holding and then follow your body figure accordingly. Your elbows should always be higher up than your hands when you are doing this exercise. 8. Anterior front raises. The next breast reduction exercise makes use of a dumbbell or weights in both the hands. By moving your hands up and down in isolation, the exercise strengthens your shoulder muscles, along with toning your breasts. Steps to perform. The reach of your hand should be around your shoulders height, and your arms should this time be parallel to the ground. So, you don't have to worry about keeping your elbow out of your hand's way or higher than that for the record. This exercise is easier and can be performed twice each day easily. 9. Side raises. The side raise is a great exercise to reduce the excess fat around your breasts and reduce the size by a few cms. Using a weight like a dumbbell can increase the effectiveness of this exercise and speed up the results. Along with a firmer bust line, you can also notice a slight lift in your shape. Steps to perform. Begin by keeping a straight posture and then place your palms each facing the thigh. Make sure your elbows are straight, and next, raise your arms, so they are yet again at a parallel position from the ground. Repeat 5 times, but make sure you take a 10-second pause each time before beginning the next set. This is one of the powerful breast reductions exercises without side effects. 10. Swimming. Oh yes. Swimming can reduce your bust size if you do it properly and regularly. The front and back strokes involved in this exercise burns the excess fat around the breasts by subjecting the chest muscles to a lot of pressure. This helps in reducing the bust size to an extent. However, you must do at least 5 laps of swimming for 30 minutes every day to. Please subscribe so you and your loved ones can stay healthy and happy.